Hello, 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 and welcome, my sweet fellows. Hope you're all good, happy, and smiling. Hey guys, today we are having a very special episode. I'm going to draw a very special painting like everybody used to draw in their childhood, a house. Now, everybody used to draw house in their childhood, and everybody used to draw it in a unique style. But what we have in common, a house, a garden, trees, sun, which represents our childhood memories. So this is a very beautiful memory, and I want to uh, refresh this memory by drawing a house. So in order to draw a house, we'll take one scale, plain paper, some markers, and we'll start drawing the same way how we used to draw it in our childhood. So first we'll draw a baseline, and we will make one box on the left hand side, the bigger one, and we'll make one smaller box on the right hand side with the two connecting lines on the top of it, and like this will connect the lines. Okay, this will represent our roof on the top line. Okay, and we'll draw a chimney like this one, a small chimney. Okay, now okay, we'll draw these lines in order to show that we have bricks on the uh, roof. A door. For a door, draw two lines like this and connect the upper line. This is very easy, and we usually have this lock on the outer side as well. Now we are going to draw some trees, very simple ones, not like the ones we have leaves on the sides. These are also look good. This is some you can say flowers on the right side, and yeah, how can we forget a window? A house without a window is incomplete. This is very unique, and four portion window every house have, like what we used to draw in our childhood. And this is what we can say a path. Okay, let me complete the tiles. You can draw like this, but you can also draw vertically. It will represent more, you can say, real ones. So now on the lower hand side we are going to draw our garden, yard, whatever you say. Draw these little circles, and we will connect these circles with the double lines, and it will represent our fence. Some flowers in the garden, and some other flowers or plants, you can say, in the garden. And now we are going to paint our house. These will represent the bricks on the top of the house, and we are going to paint our house yellow. Yellow, yellow, sweet fellow. This is our window. This is our chimney. Smoke coming out from the chimney. And of course, now we'll paint the house. You can paint whatever color you want, like it's up to you. Some people like yellow, some people like green, blue, red, purple. So these are the trees. Of course, trees are always green. So I'm going to draw them as a green. Yeah, done. The two trees, some plants on the right hand side, a different color plants, like a little bit lighter ones. See, this will represent a road or a path, whatever you say. You can make it straight or you can even curve it. If you curve it down, that will make it more realistic. Like this will cover color, and this is our fence. This will represent the wooden fence, and a plant on the top of wooden fence, like this. Now the only remaining thing is grass. We are going to draw grass like this. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. This is our most favorite childhood memory. I think we'll start drawing like from this house, and after this we'll draw the remaining things like cars, cats, and whatever fancy us in the school. So I have some other videos where I draw ladybug, fish, so please check those out also. Thank you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.